children, welcome to Mickey Mini Learning Hub. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn birds' names. The first bird is parrot, dove, peacock, duck, goose, hen, owl, kingfisher, pigeon, crow, hummingbird, eagle, ostrich, flamingo, penguin, turkey, the bird's name once again. The first one is parrot, hen, eagle, crow, flamingo, dove, hummingbird, kingfisher, duck, pigeon, goose, turkey, ostrich, owl, and penguin. Hope you all enjoyed the video today. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.